let's do some math. We're on to day and page 28 here. What is the 6th month? Well, if we get our calendar out, or if we just list them, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it runs there. So the 6th month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. January, February, March, April, May, June. I always like it when I set it up this way because if you look here, starting in July, August, September, October, November, it's my name, Jason. Is a can a sphere or a cylinder? All right, so they both, a can and a sphere, or sphere and a cylinder, both have circles involved, right? Here's the top of a can, and here's a tennis ball. But when you look at them sideways, that's when it gets different. The tennis ball is always a circle no matter which way you spin it. That's a sphere. This is like a globe or a round ball, whereas a cylinder is round on top and round on the bottom, but the sides are nice and straight. So a can is definitely a cylinder. Number 3, looks like we have a subtract problem, and it will be some regrouping. Because I see a 3 up top. So 3 take away 5, I can't do that. So I'm going to borrow from the 1. He goes to a 0, and he becomes a 13. All right, so 13 take away 5 is 8. Now I've got 0 take away 9, no can do. Off to the 6, he becomes a 5, and the 0 now is a 10. So 10 take away 9 I can do, that's 1. 5 take away 4, I can definitely do that, another 1. And then 4 take away 2, 2. 2,118. All right, slide on over to this big adding problem. Ooh, I like these. 5 and 5 I know is 10. And 10 plus 9 is going to be 19. So 1 up top, 9 down below. I have 8 plus 1 plus 1, 8, 9, 10. And 4 more is going to be 14. And then finally we have a 6 and a 7 and a 4 and a 1. So I know that 6 and 4 is 10, plus 7 is going to be 17, plus 1 more, 18. 1,847. Round to the nearest dollar, and in this case they're not telling us tens or tenths or hundredths or whatever, but the dollars place is right here. All right, so we're looking for that 4. And look at his next door neighbor. So the question is $24 or up to $25? Well, his next door neighbor is a 9. That's pretty darn big, so we're going to go all the way up to $25. What is the product in this problem? My guess is most of you were trying to figure out what this thing was talking about. The way it's written isn't very clear. They're talking about this problem here, and what they want to know is the 8, the 7, or the 56. Which one of those is called the product? And here's your clue. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So the answer is the 56. So this problem is one of those ones that's way easier than you think, but if you can't figure out what it's asking you, then it doesn't seem easy at all, right? All right, last one we have. Jeremy is planting some corn. He planted 9 rows of corn. He planted 7 seeds in each row. How many seeds did Jeremy plant? Okay, so 9 rows, 7 seeds. Whenever you see this like in each row, that usually tells us we're doing some multiplying. And sometimes if you see in each, then it's divide. But yeah, so 9 and 7. So 9 times 7. And of course, we are always welcome to use our multiplication chart if we need to. And hopefully by the end of the year, we're getting away from that so we can just do it out of our brains. But 9 times 7 is going to be 63. There we go. A quick peek at tomorrow's. Multiply. Quarts in a cup. Oh, you'll have to go to the front page to see our let's see if I've got it on this book. Our gallon situation from the front page there for quarts to a cup. Big add, big subtract. This is going to be kind of an order of operations, but nothing too scary. 2 times 8, then minus 4. Half of 84, going to cut 84 in half. And then how many children were at each table? There were 50 4 children, 9 picnic tables. And when you see this, the same number, that usually means we're going to be doing some dividing, which is the opposite of multiplying. All right, see you tomorrow.